In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana Form Tutorial, how to use Form in Asana Beginners Tutorial, 5 minutes. Forms in Asana turn scattered requests into consistent, trackable tasks, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create and publish one for any project. Start by opening your browser and going to Asana's login page. Enter your email address, then choose Continue. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow that prompt. Otherwise, type in your password and click Log In. Using a password manager helps here, and make sure you're on the official Asana site before entering any credentials. Once you land on your Asana homepage, navigate to the project where you want to collect submissions. This should be the project that will own the tasks created from your form. Open that project so you can access its settings. In the top right of the project, click Customize. This opens a sidebar with powerful project controls. In that panel, find and select Forms. Forms live at the project level, so everything you add here will funnel directly into this project's task list. Click Add to create a new form. Give your form a clear descriptive name so submitters immediately understand its purpose. Something like Marketing Request or IT Help Desk Intake works well. A good title reduces confusion and improves the quality of responses. Now start adding questions. You can drag and drop new question blocks into the form, and you can reorder them at any time to match the flow you want. As you add a question, choose the most appropriate type: short text, long text, drop-down, number, date, and other structured options. Picking the right type guides people to provide the exact information you need. For example, use a drop-down for priority, a date field for a due date, and a long text field for a detailed description. Keep your form concise but complete. Use helpful labels and short descriptions to clarify what each answer should include. Mark critical questions as required so you never miss must-have details. If your project already has matching custom fields, align your question types accordingly to keep your data clean and reportable. When you're happy with the layout, wording, and field types, click Publish. Publishing saves and activates the form. After that, Asana provides a shareable link you can distribute to teammates or stakeholders. Every submission will automatically create a task in this project, ready for triage and assignment. That's it. You've signed in, opened your project, customized it, built a form with the right questions, and published it. Use this process for any intake flow, and you'll keep requests organized from the start.